There's times full of shadows and dark rain. There's so little joy and so much pain. You know I wanted to protect you. There's a heavy sadness in your eyes. Your bird can sing but cannot fly. Sometimes things get in the way. Sometimes people are afraid. The cowards and the games they play. I know they wanted to afflict you. Sometimes we can't find the code, and then our minds just overload. Sometimes things get in the way. I knew that you could find your wings. I heard it in the songs you sing. You know I wanted to protect you. Now I'll come with tired eyes. I knew you had the strength to fly. Sometimes things get in the way. Sometimes it's darkness in the day. I tried to stand up in their way. I know they wanted to afflict you. I thought that if I cut the cord, you'd spread your wings and soar. Sometimes things get in the way. I thought that if I set you free, you'd become what you should be. You know I wanted to protect you. I think about you every day. There's so much that I could say. Sometimes things get in the way. You rise above the poison roads. I cut the cord, you found the code. I know they wanted to afflict you. I think about you every day. There's so much I want to say. Sometimes things get in the way.